No, sir. Shericka Jackson ran 100 meters in an amazing 10.41 seconds, which was faster than the world record. This mud. I just got information that the new women's 200-meter world champion, Shericka Jackson, ran the second 100-meter of the final in an amazing 10.41 seconds. That's almost unbelievable. But more importantly, that time is much faster than the 100-meter record time of the reigning world record holder, Florence Griffith Joyner, which was 10.49 seconds. 0.08 seconds faster to be exact. The significance of this time run by Shericka now is really quite simple. This simply means that Shericka is quite capable and very able to beat Flojo's long-standing 34-year-old 100-meter world record. And get this, Shericka's 200-meter time of 21.45 seconds is just 0.11 seconds below Flojo's 200-meter world record of 21.34 seconds. So that means Jackson can smash the Flojo 200-meter record as well. And I know she's going to try for it. The both of them. And we know, say, if Jacko will try for them, then Shelley and Fraser Price will go for them too. So the world needs to be on world record watch the next couple of times that Jamaica's Shericka Jackson hits the tracks in the individual events, because we very well could see a new world record being set. Shericka's very next outing will be in the women's 4x100-meter relay at the World Championships. And of course, her fans will be expecting that she is going to continue to sparkle. Go get them, Shericka, and the rest of the Jamaica women's 4x100-meter relay team.